Hello folks, this is Aditya Najha from inspiredtorise.com and this is the Huawei Nova 3 smartphone. So guys, the Nova 3 is this elegant looking smartphone. It has a fingerprint sensor on the back, has a very nice design. There's this iris purple color that I like a lot. At the back, there's the dual camera sensor along with the Huawei branding and the LED flash. On the right hand side, you get the power button and the volume rocker. This is the 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display at 19.5:9 aspect ratio and it weighs around 166 grams. The overall look and feel of this device is pretty solid and it seriously is a pleasure to use. At the bottom there is the USB Type-C port, microphone hole, 3.5mm jack and the antenna bands. This device comes with a huge notch and that notch really houses the infrared sensor, camera sensor and all of those things. It has a hybrid SIM tray slot and overall these are few things which I didn't particularly like. If I talk about the specifications of this device, it comes with a Kirin 970 chipset with a dedicated NPU for neural processing, AI based things, and it has a Mali G72 MP12 GPU, 128 GB of internal storage, 6 gigabytes of RAM, and this device supports dual SIM 4G LTE and it supports VoLTE on both the SIM. If I talk about gaming, it was easily able to run really heavy games like PUBG on maximum possible settings with ease and without much lags. There are few dedicated gaming related features also in this smartphone. For example, when you are playing something like PUBG and you are using different guns, then it would vibrate at different intensities in order to make sure that you know which gun you are using, and your physical memory would help you to play better over subsequent duration of time. So that's something that I really like. If I talk about the software and experience, it comes with EMUI, which is the skin they use on top of Android. It's not really that bad, but the transitions and animations look a little bit slow. Now let's talk about the camera quality for this device. It comes with a 16 megapixel f1.8 sensor at the back along with a 24 megapixel black and white sensor with f1.8 aperture. Gyroscope based EIS is present on the smartphone, and if I talk about the front camera, it's a 24 megapixel sensor with a 2 megapixel depth sensing sensor. Overall, I felt that the images taken from this device were good. There was slight exposure problem in few of the images, but overall quality was quite good. And if I talk about the aperture mode and the portrait mode of this device, it's good, but the aperture mode still blurs out the edges of people or objects which you are clicking. So that's something that I feel that needs to be improved. And other than that, it supports videos up to 18:9 aspect ratio on the front selfie camera in Full HD Plus resolution, and at the back camera it supports videos in 4K resolution, but the autofocus issues are present there and sometimes it does go on focus hunting. The gyroscope based EIS is okay, but not spectacular. Now let's talk about the battery life. It comes with a 3750 mAh battery, 9 volt, 2 ampere fast charger is supported. It has a Type-C charging mechanism which is quite good and I expected this on this phone. If we talk about the heating issues, it was heating to a certain degree when playing PUBG for more than 5 to 10 minutes or so. Not really overheating, but did heat to certain extent. And other features like multi-windows, multitasking, etc. all of these were running fine. And overall, the sound experience was also good, but the maximum speaker volume was really not that loud. If we talk about the price, it would retail at a price of 35,000 rupees. Sales would start from 23rd of August 2018, and at this price you would get some cashback offers and few other offers. It would compete against the likes of OnePlus 6, Asus Zenfone 5Z and few other smartphones. I believe that when compared to those smartphones, this smartphone does have a really competitive camera. The design is really good. The battery life might be even better than those smartphones. We will let you know when we do detailed testing for all of these. And the thing is that if you're someone who's going to buy a phone purely for its looks and camera, then you can easily go with the Huawei Nova 3, else there are a lot of options out there for anyone. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.